Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Exam Paper MCQs. This is Lizard Exam Paper 19. Let us start our questions. Are you ready? Okay, let us start. The chisel-shaped structure of incisor is suitable for cutting. Which one of the following cells could have their functions adversely affected by the AIDS virus? Leukocytes. Albinism is inherited through double recessive genes. If A stands for normal skin color and small a the recessive character, which of these parental crosses would produce an albino offspring? Capital A small a crossed with capital A small a. Growth of plant root towards water is called dehydrotropism. Which one of the following is a long-term adaptation of mammals to low environmental temperature? Deposition of fats under the skin. Animal X and Y live together. Animal X provides shelter for animal Y, and animal Y makes food for animal X. What kind of relationship do these two animals show? Mutualism. Which of the following sets of flower parts do not match? Couples form the androecium. Which one of the following groups of animals possess an open circulatory system? Insects. A population in equilibrium would be characterized of a nature community in which succession has reached a climax. The rate of glomerular filtrate is highest in freshwater fish. In which of the following tissues does mitosis occur? In the cambium. Functionally, the most diversified organ in the human body is the liver. A trait which does not express itself unless homozygous is said to be recessive. Which one of the following monosaccharides is a common component of sucrose, starch, and glycogen? Glucose. What is the main function of the apical meristem in a root? Formation of new cells. How is seed dormancy due to embryo immaturity overcome? Allowing for an after ripening period. Which one of the following groups of insects all have similar feeding habits? Bee, butterfly, and bedbugs. Blockage of bile duct would impair the digestion of fats. Thank you very much for attending to biology exam paper MCQs. This has been Lizard exam paper 19. Let us meet in Lizard exam paper 20.